Hi students, here is a question from a surface area and volume. The question says that in the adjoining figure shown here, adjoining figure shows a solid of uniform cross section. Find the volume of the solid. It is being given that all the measurements are in centimeter and each angle in the figure is right angle. So we need not worry about whether this is right angle, this is right angle, whatever, wherever it is joining, whether it is right angle or not. Now before we solve, we can understand and make it into two divisions. Like if at all you draw a line here, it will be a slab which is below. It is a L shaped slab we have, and if we cut it here you will get a horizontal slab. So if we find the volume of this slab and add it to the volume of the vertical slab, only this much I'm talking about, so it will be the volume of the whole complete slab. So let us see. Now both are in the rectangle shape, so volume of the cuboid can be applied. You can take up the formula of volume of cuboid and do it. Now here we have 9 centimeter as the length, 3 centimeter as the breadth, and 3 centimeter as the height. Okay. Now similarly for the second one, we have height 6 centimeter, we have breadth 4 centimeter. Now you can see how much is remaining here. If this is covering 6, this is going to be 3. Now I had written 9 as the whole length is 9. So this 9 I am writing outside. So this is covering 6 centimeter, then this will be 3 centimeter. So now the volume of what we say, the total volume or the volume of the given figure is equal to volume of horizontal or base slab, also you can say horizontal slab plus volume of vertical slab. In both cases it is cuboid only. So volume of the horizontal slab, you have, I'll take one of them as capital L, capital B, capital H, so that the other one can be taken as small l, small b, small h. L into B into H plus small l into B into H. Okay. Now I told you here in this vertical slab, the horizontal slab, 9 centimeter is the length, breadth is 3, height is also 3, plus you have length, breadth and height of the vertical slab. So length of the vertical slab, here the length is, okay, you can take it as breadth also in the comparison. So length is 3, breadth is 4, height is 6. Now calculating it, so hope the diagram is of course correct. Okay, no, over here it is not 3, here it is 3. I'm sorry for this. Here it is 4. So 4 centimeter is the breadth. Here I have to change it as breadth as 4 and this as 3. So 9 into 4 into 3, you will get 108 centimeter cube, plus now 4 into 3 into 6, 4 into 3 into 6 is 72 centimeter cube. When you add it, you will get it as 180 centimeter cube. That's it. So you will have to correct it before writing this part. This is width is 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. Hope this is quite small and precise and understandable. Let me know if at all anything else can be added to it. We have here another question from surface area volume itself. Let me read the question for you. The cross section of a tunnel perpendicular to its length is a trapezium ABCD, in which AB is 8 meter, DC is 6 meter, and AL and BM are equal. The height of the tunnel is 2.4 meter and its length is 40 meter. Find the cost of paving the floor of the tunnel at 16 rupees per meter square. And the second sub question is the cost of the painting the tunnel surface excluding the floor at the rate of rupees 5 per meter square. Now you can see that this they are saying trapezium is the floor, this one. Now you can see the example of this duster. Now duster is a kind of little trapezium shape. Now if this is the length of the tunnel, this is the face of the tunnel. Now look at it, when I say it is the face of the tunnel, it has got breadth, it has got height. So this length, no, we will take this as breadth only, breadth, height, and this is length because it is longer. So this becomes the length, this becomes the height, and this becomes the breadth. Now as per that we are going to work. Now here I have to write something more, that is 40. Excuse me. Now here it is said that this AL and BM are equal. Now first of all try to understand the trapezium properly. Now if A, B, C, D is a trapezium, DC and AB are parallel. Now if they are parallel, then if I draw perpendicular from here, why am I saying perpendicular? This is being given as the height in the diagram. Height is always perpendicular to the base, hence this is perpendicular here. Now this when we say this is perpendicular and these two are parallel, so whatever DC length is there, that much will be between L and M. So L and M will make what? 6 meter length, and L to A 1, M to B 1. Why it is 1? Because the total length is 8 meters. So 6 meter in between, 1 meter over here, 1 meter over here. Again I say DL is perpendicular, CM is perpendicular to AB. Hence what will happen? This 6 meter will be between L to M, and the remaining parts are equal are given. That's why it is 1 meter over here and 1 meter over here. Now it is asked that the cost of paving the floor. Now if suppose floor, now again I would like to take the help of my duster. Now if it is floor, floor means what? When I kept the duster like this, it was the cross section here and this is the length. But if at all we have to look at the floor, floor will be what? This. Now what does this mean? This in the sense. Now whatever is the breadth into the length. It is a two-dimensional figure that you have to imagine. A to B, whatever is there, that is breadth, and 40 is going to be the length to find the area to be area to be paved. Okay, so we'll go ahead with a few things writing as given. What is given is length of tunnel is equal to 40 meter and breadth or width of tunnel is equal to 8 meter. Okay, so with the length and breadth we can find the area. So floor of the tunnel, area of floor of tunnel is equal to L into B. That means length is 40 meter into breadth 8 meter. So what will happen? How much do you get? 320. 8 fours are 32. 320 meter square. But we need to get the cost of paving it. Therefore, cost of paving is equal to, now area of the floor of the tunnel into the cost. Area, I am writing in short, area of floor into cost per meter square. Now area of the tunnel you have 320 meter square, but it is not to be written because we are finding the amount, that is money. So how much you are paying? 16 rupees per meter square. So when you multiply 320 into 16, you are going to get rupees 5120. So this is the amount that is required for paving the floor. So floor is what? Length, sorry, this is length into width. That is going to be the floor. So this is over here. Now to understand how to find the tunnel's surface which is on the side of non-parallel sides, I mean to say this. Okay, now when I showed you the duster, these sides, okay, this and this, the three sides are supposed to be colored. Now the question says that the cost of painting the internal surface of the tunnel excluding the floor. Now we found the floor, so leave it, we don't have to. We have to have this side and the top. Okay, so the top is going to be how much we can understand. Top is nothing but again width into length. Width is 6, length is 40. But how do you find these two sides is a question. Now you may see that DL is perpendicular to AB, and we know that this is 1, and we know the height. Now whenever there is a right angled triangle appears, we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the remaining part. Now you may ask, ma'am, why are we finding this one? Now it is in the shape like this and it goes till 40 meters. So 40 is over here, and this we do not know, which is unknown length or the width, because it is on the either side. So that we will calculate first, and we can multiply it by 2 times. So here what we have to do is calculate AD. So in a triangle ALD, AD square is equal to AL square plus DL square. AL is 1 square plus 2.4 bracket square. So 1 plus, do you know what is 24 square is? It is the same. So 24 square, what you will do it with, like 2.4 is there. 2.4 square we need. So 24s are 576 you have. 576 but 2 points, so it is here 676 you get, and then you need to find out how much it goes for. Okay, 676, but it is 6.76, right? 676 is a square of 6 or 36. It is 26. So if it is 26, it will become AD will become what? 2.6. Okay, so this is, or else you can write AD is equal to square root of 6.76. You can just calculate and see. So AD is equal to 2.6. This is 2.6 meter. Okay, once we get AD, I will write it here for our reference, AD 2.6. After this, we are supposed to find the area to be painted. Now area to be painted means what? This wall and the top. So wall is same sized, so we can take it 2 times. Okay, internal surface to be painted is equal to, now see here, this is the width now, and the length is going to be 40 because that tunnel is 40-meter long. So here, but how many times it is going to be calculated? Over here also it is same 2.6, and over here also it is same 2.6. So 2.6 into 40, 2.6 into 40. So 2 times 2.6 into 40, this is what the side walls, okay, which are tilted like this. This is a parallel, what you know, trapezium is there, then it will look like this. Okay, these two sides we have, plus the top. The top is what? 6 into 40. Okay, so when you multiply this one, what do you get? 2.6 into this is 2 into 104 plus 240. So multiply and add it. This is going to be 208 plus 240 is equal to 448 meter square. This is all what you know. This is 2 walls and this is the top. So addition of the areas will give me this much. But I have to find the cost of painting. Therefore, cost of painting is equal to area to be painted into cost per meter square. So area to be painted is 448 meter square into the amount that is involved is 5 rupees per meter square. That's why I have to multiply it by 5. So when you multiply, you're going to get rupees 2240. So this will be the cost of painting the 2 walls, side walls and the top. This is how we can solve this. Children, let me know if you have understood. If there is any suggestion, you are most welcome to give the same. Thank you.